Hi guys, here we've got iPhone, and let me show you how to use Harry Potter spells here. So at first, just check if your Siri is active. To do it, open the settings, click on Siri and search, and make sure that those three indicators are active. Then let's go back, and you can use it. You can use those spells either on your lock screen or active screen. It's up to you, but let me show it on lock screen. So let's start with the first spell, which is Hey Siri, Lumos.
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
And as you can see, this spell activated the flashlight. And now if you wish to turn it off also with Harry Potter spell just by Siri, you need to tell her, Hey Siri, Nox.
Okay, I turned flashlight off.
So this is the first one, the default Harry Potter spell that you don't have to set here. And the second one is to open some app. Let me open, for example, Spotify. So the spell is Hey Siri, Accio Spotify. And that's it. As you can see, it opens Spotify. And these two spells are defaultly on your device, and you can smoothly use them. The rest of them you need to set manually by yourself by using shortcuts. So this is it. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.